Good morning dear students, I am Sanya Sethi, your science teacher. So in this video we are going to revise our chapter number 4, our earth. This chapter is going to come in your summative assessment too. So let's start with the chapter. Earlier people used to believe that the earth is flat, but then the scientists discovered that the earth is not flat but sphere in shape. Our Earth is the only planet that supports life, and it is also known as the blue planet because of the abundance of water present on it. The Earth is surrounded by a covering of air known as the atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere is made up of many useful gases which makes life possible on Earth. Students, do you know our Earth keeps moving all the time? Yes, and there are two types of movements. First is rotation, second is revolution. First, let me explain you about rotation. The spinning movement of the Earth around its axis is called Earth's rotation. The Earth takes about 24 hours or 1 day to complete one rotation. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. Let me show you this with the help of an experiment. Now let me explain you about rotation of the Earth. Imagine this ball is your Earth. So the Earth keeps on rotating on its own axis. Axis is an imaginary line and our Earth keeps on rotating like this, and this rotation completes in 1 day or 24 hours. Now this is our Earth, and imagine this torch is our sun. So when the sunlight falls on the Earth, the part of the Earth that receives the sunlight will have day, and the part that is opposite to the sunlight will experience night. Now let us discuss about revolution. When the Earth moves around the Sun in a fixed orbit, it is known as revolution. The movement of Earth around the Sun in a fixed orbit is called Earth's revolution. The Earth takes a little more than 365 days or 1 year to complete one revolution. The revolution of Earth around the Sun causes changes in the seasons. Let me show you with the help of an experiment. Now let me show you what is revolution. This ball is our Earth and the torch is the Sun. The Earth keeps revolving or orbiting around the Sun in a circular path. This is known as the revolution, and it takes the Earth to complete one revolution 1 year, or we can say 365 days. The revolution of the Earth causes changes in the season. Like the part of the Earth that receives the sunlight will experience summer season, and the parts of the Earth that face to the opposite direction will face winters. The Earth is our home. We get air, food and water from the Earth. So it is very important that we take care of our planet. Any activity carried out by us that harms air, water or land is called pollution. First, let us discuss about air pollution. Smoke coming out from vehicles and factories and burning of garbage leads to air pollution. Next is water pollution. Throwing waste from homes and factories into the water bodies such as ponds, lakes and rivers leads to water pollution. The next is land pollution. Throwing garbage and used plastic bags on the roadsides leads to land pollution. We must stop or reduce pollution so that our planet remains clean and safe for all living things. So, what can we do to reduce pollution? Let us discuss some of the steps. We can follow these steps to reduce air pollution. We should plant more trees, use electric vehicles, using environment-friendly vehicles, using alternate sources of energy, and using public transport. Let us discuss some of the ways to prevent water pollution. Do not dump in or around rivers. Clean and maintain septic systems properly. Follow all water laws and regulations. Dispose of pesticides and chemicals properly. Never pour cooking fats and oils down the sink. Refrain from using bleach when washing at home. Clean up your yard regularly. We should always remember the 3 R's, that is, reduce, recycle and reuse. We can use second-hand furniture. Recycle the things that are recyclable. We should sort our garbage like toxic materials and household waste separately. I hope you must have understood this chapter now. Please revise again, read the chapter again, and all the best for your exams.